GORO stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting, easy to buy. I'm going to be covering this in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, no one else has come even close to doing this amount of volume, and it's taken me 5 years, you know, so I've collected data and data shows what's working for me. With GORO, or Gold Resource Corporation, bullish market, you know, quite like it, but it's not gonna be an immediate buy. I mean, I saw this pumping already, which is sick, but got this, get this. Either I see a little pull down and I hopefully get like a double break confirmation from here, or I'm just not gonna immediately buy, you know what I mean? This second range is already way too big, so I'll definitely have to wait it out, or maybe hope I see breaks about like 58, 59 cents. We'll see though, I'll keep you updated. I just need more candles and markets closed. So, cheers, goodbye and enjoy, and if you want free sauce, first link below.